Teachers and parents, let's make a fun pirate hat. You will need white-out, rectangular paper, and a black marker. Let's rotate the paper, then fold downwards. Next, fold the top flap upwards, like so. Let's rotate the paper again, yeah? Flatten the paper a bit, then unfold the top flap, like so. Next, fold the corners to the center line. But be careful here, because you only want to fold the corners of the top flap on the left side of the paper. You will see why in a little bit. It should look like this. You might want to flatten the paper a bit more at this stage. Turn the paper over, and fold the remaining corners to the center line. Perfect! Now turn the paper over again and fold the bottom flap upwards, like this. At this stage, it should look like a pair of lips. Perfect! Now fold the bottom lip behind, like this. Let's flatten the figure a bit more, so the next steps will be easier to manage. Now do a small diagonal fold from both corners upwards, like so. And just so you know, the last step will be done with the magic of stop-motion technology, because Mr. Jake feels like using it. And away we go! Do a reverse squash fold by opening the bottom of the figure, tucking in the corner folds, and closing the figure. Next, use the whiteout to decorate your hat. And finally, use the marker to add the eyes and mouth. Done. Your pirate hat is finished. This activity is perfect for schools and parties. Give it a try, and please, leave a comment. Matey. My hat's too big. Matey,